Here we go. Wife's taking me out to the truck, running me off from the house. Why are you running me off, babe?
I got chores to do.
She got chores to do.
Cleaning.
So where am I going?
You're going camping.
I'm gonna go camping.
Somewhat camping. Day camping.
Day camping. Give me kisses.
Oh, I'm already dirty. Look.
I love you.
I love you too. Bye.
Bye.
Call me later.
Alright.
You take your backpack off.
I got to. Videoing.
Enjoy your day.
That's a huge day pack.
Okay, I'm going, babe. Go.
Alright.
Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye. So I'm headed off to South Mountain State Park, and maybe you can see right out here the mountains in the distance. Can you see them? 12 cling to your rugged cross. Read it on a church sign back there. It's a donkey. I'm out here at South Mountain State Park. Not long ago, there was a fire and damaged 1,600 acres of forest, and there's several trails that are out of commission, can't go to. I talked to the ranger. He said that there's shiny trails down, chestnut knob trails down. I am up here right now at Shiny Creek campsites. Let me show you around. So here is the Shiny Creek campsites. Most of the time everybody goes to the falls up here, but me, I come up here and I usually do the Shiny Creek trail, but I can't anymore because there's fire damage. So I came up here to the campsites, and this is me right here just hanging out by the creek. Can you see the creek? I'll take some video in a minute. Gonna make some food, brew some coffee, hang out, read some books. So I thought I'd show you guys around. Maybe I'll put some of the damage, fire damage. I've seen some like on the way as I got up here to the campsites. It's all up on the side. Still really pretty, still very much worth coming up here. You can tell that there's been some fire damage, and you can tell that there's been trucks that's come up here, cut some trees down, cleared out a lot, but I mean, you can see it's still pretty. I'll go around, show you the creek, show you around, show you some things. I got some new camping gear I want to show you. I brought my little cooking set. GSI coffee, collapsible coffee brewer. We'll boil some water, make some coffee. Let's see how that works. I haven't tried it out yet. You guys get to see with me how well it is. And I'm down here at the creek. This is where I'm hanging out today. There's my hammock, and I got cookies. Time to make some coffee. GSI collapsible coffee brewer, right? And then I got my Blue Ridge Parkway cup. I'm boiling some water. Cookies. Okay. Pour. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. To the rim. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. I mean, I did put a lot of grams in it, but at the same time. Community coffee, French roast, cooked by fire out in the woods. Nice. So that's what I have. Collapses down. We put this inside you. Drop it in there. Good to go. Yeah, I like it. Takes a number 4 filter. Pop it up. There you go. Now I just gotta worry about bears that just woke up. I just cooked lunch or supper, whatever you want to call it. And here it is. Got some broccoli, radishes, onions, rice, corn. It's good. It's good. So I'm gonna go down here to the creek and enjoy eating it. Made another cup of coffee. I'm loving my little cook set here. I got this, got this. I carry this with me. This packs up super small, and this. And that's all I needed. Take some video on the way out, show you around, that way you can see. And that was my little campsite. Now it's time to go throw my trash away and head back to the truck. Let me show you some of the fire damage on the way back. Now when I come out here to go camp, I have a food storage. Put my food in there. Up here, got a little outhouse. Over there, there's another outhouse. There's all the firewood. There's a campsite, another campsite. The little creek goes all the way down through here. There's another campsite. It's a pretty nice little place. I got a little trash can up here. It's pretty safe. Like, you can put all your stuff in it and bears won't get to it, or mountain lions or whatever. Got ashes. I'd have been upset if I threw that away. So I got my little thing, put it in my pocket. Am I missing anything? I feel like I'm missing something. No. I'm gonna check the trash again. No, that's all I was throwing away. Shiny Creek campsite. Headed back. Maybe you can see some of those trees. There's some burnt pieces of wood. You can see here, got a burnt log. Up there, see all that? That's burnt. So, some of those are burnt. You can see that, it's burnt. Up there, it's burnt. So here, we got a burnt tree. Okay, so you can see some of the damage here. Like these trees are burnt, and it's burnt up here. It's burnt here. And just right over here, that's where I was camping. And all this, it's burnt. Up through there, it's burnt. Up there. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Here's some more. You can see up in there how it's burnt. See? Look up in there. You see it's burnt. You can see that one's falling over and burnt. This fall over and burnt. Well, it's still got trees here, but I bet it's worse the further up you go. Like this, it's all burnt. See, you can see here, burnt, burnt, burnt. But there's still a lot out here that's really pretty too. And that's, you know, there's some burnt. There's some more all through here. All through here. All over there. Maybe you can see up on the hill over here. All burnt. Can you see up in there? Maybe. You can see here what's burnt through there. No better way to say thank you, Jesus, than to carve it on a bridge out at a state park. Yeah. I'm almost home. Thought I'd tell you that if you want any of this stuff that I cooked with today, just I'll put the link in the description below. You know, like the little coffee filter, or the stuff I cook with, or any of that. I'll put that in the description, and that way if you want to buy it, helps me out. And I appreciate all y'all's support. And that's that.